Hey everyone, we're Journey with Jenna and Andrew, and we are making this video today to share our experience on how we managed YouTube while overlanding for 2 months.
So we were on the road from late August to late October, and we were dispersed camping in a rooftop tent, and we managed to upload a YouTube video every other day.
So throughout those 2 months, we got a few questions on how the heck did you manage to post every other day? Aren't you in the woods? You know, where are you getting service? Where are you getting Wi-Fi? When are you editing? So we wanted to make a video and talk about how we did so. Number 1, before we left, we set a goal on how much we want to post. We felt that every other day would be the best for us. It would allow us to put a lot of content on our YouTube channel, learn, and really get in a flow of editing and posting while being on the road. So once we had a goal set, we absolutely wanted to stick to it. There was times where things would come up, but we chose to stick to that goal. Unless something crazy would have happened, we knew we were going to post every other day. And I think that is a big part with how we managed to do it.
And it's extremely fulfilling.
Yes.
Number 2, we recorded every single day. We wanted to get as much footage as possible and as much content as possible.
I think there was only a few days where we absolutely didn't record. Other than that, we recorded almost the whole thing. So it made it really easy to have vlogs to post, and also the shorter the vlog, the easier it is to edit. Number 3, we both edited. So I know a lot of different vloggers or travel vloggers have one designated editor, but we thought it would be best if we took turns editing the vlogs. So instead of having to edit and finish a vlog like every day, you have 2 to 4 days to finish a vlog. We feel that it's a really good balance because you're both learning, so now you both know how to record better. You have more insight on how you want your vlogs to look, and you learn from each other when you both edit. So overall, 2 editors has been
Game changer.
game changer.
Number 4, we edited every single day, even in the tent.
Especially in the tent.
Yeah, basically only in the tent. Most of the time we would edit at night for 4 or 5 hours at night.
Some days we had designated work and editing days, so we'd like do grocery shopping, we'd go to a coffee shop and just work. But even the days that we were running around doing a ton of recording, we made sure to edit every night. And sometimes it was really hard if you just finished and uploaded your vlog, you wanted to take the night off, but we knew that if we were to not edit that night, it would push us behind. So we always try to push ourselves to just do a little bit every night, and it would help in the long run. Number 5, uploading. So this is the trickiest part. If you're a YouTuber, you know that bad Wi-Fi and trying to upload a YouTube video is just the worst thing that could happen.
Yeah.
So being on the road and being left up to random Wi-Fis, it was a bit tricky. So what we did is we would go to coffee shops and we would upload from there. We like to do local coffee shops, but we realized that sometimes they weren't very reliable with outlets or Wi-Fi. So a lot of times we just went to Starbucks.
And even Starbucks wasn't very reliable. Sorry, Starbucks.
So whenever we were spending a few days in national parks, that was probably the biggest struggle, is because there wouldn't even be service sometimes. So we managed to either find a cafe within the national park, or some of the visitor centers offered Wi-Fi. Sometimes they worked, sometimes they didn't.
Most of the time they didn't.
And the worst case scenario is we had to use a hotspot, which happened at Yosemite.
We used our hotspot twice, I believe, in Yosemite actually, but gotta do what you gotta do.
But other than that, we managed to upload an entire vlog at Crater Lake.
Yep.
It took 2 hours or so, but we did it.
We wasted our morning at the visitor center for 2 hours, probably about 2.5 hours actually.
I think so.
Uploading a vlog at Crater Lake, and I had to go back and charge my laptop. I honestly didn't think we were gonna get it uploaded that day, but we did. Number 6, charging. A huge game changer was we had an inverter for our car. You plug it into the cigarette lighter, and it had 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, and it was huge because on long road trips, we were able to charge our laptops. We drove so much that we would just plug them in while driving, and they would be fully charged by the time we got to our next destination. We were able to even edit while driving. Well,
driving.
Yeah, we were able to edit as long as you're in the passenger seat, of course. We do not condone editing and driving. But it was a huge game changer, and it allowed us to charge anywhere.
Which is also important for the camera and the drone.
Yeah. Honestly, I'll link it in the description. I bought it off Amazon for like 20 something bucks. So if you're doing something like this and you're overlanding or or living in a tent, if you're managing your YouTube on the road, if you are going to upload every other day, you are going to get so much better at editing. The amount of growth that I've seen in both of our editing, especially mine.
It's just crazy.
Not saying that. I know, that sounded really bad. I'm just talking about like, but obviously there's still so much room for improvement, but editing every other day is gonna get you so much better. So that's my biggest thing.
And mine is explore your Wi-Fi options. There's also places like laundromats that have Wi-Fi. There's also libraries. Just explore your options out there to see where you can upload. And then lastly, whatever goal that you set for yourself, even if it isn't posting every other day, say it's just posting once a week, set a goal and stick with it. And I truly think you can accomplish it. Thanks so much for watching this video.
If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll link any like products that we used in the description. If you're new, please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.